Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful and latest stylish little kids girls ideas, frocks and dress ideas for beautiful little kid girls. So I hope you like it, my video. And home handmade embroidery, crocheted frock dress style as well idea with different elements, decorative elements like beads, flower, buttons and ribbon, different style and beautiful pattern. So guys, please see these videos till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern like crochet frocks and crochet dress, baby girls crochet shorts and short shorts, different creating a crochet baby dress for a little girl is a delightful and rewarding ideas. So material need your choosy a soft baby friendly yarn, cotton or uh, um, different like soft and cotton yarn are good choice, and use the hook size recommended on your yarn level, and scissor for cutting yarn, and buttons or ribbon optional for closure or decoration. So I hope you like it.